For post-finance, the processing of paper-based payment transactions and customer documents is no longer part of the core business. These services also have no differentiating feature compared to our competitors. Therefore, post-finance decided to outsource these processes. The document-based payment transactions of the Raiffeisen banks generate a high volume of documents this year, with around 15 million paper documents. We switched to standard processes at an early stage and thus avoided system adjustments.
The SPS Payment Factory currently serves all major banks in Switzerland as the market leader in paper-based payment transactions.
There are many advantages for us. On the one hand, we benefit from an optimal variable price. On the other hand, we have a reliable partner in SPS. The solution is established, and the common core banking systems in Switzerland are connected with interfaces. Another advantage of processing through SPS is the use of a single multi-client, highly automated IT solution and the very high STP rate. The high security standards and the efficient processes represent further benefits for us in our cooperation. In addition to document-based payment transactions, we can also imagine outsourcing other related back-office areas to SPS.
SPS is the market leader in outstanding traditional document-based payment transactions for banks. Are there other areas of payment transactions that can be digitized at banks?
Absolutely. Examples of this are the additional services in manual post-processing and checking of payment transaction documents, services in the follow-up of payment orders, especially on the market side.
SPS continues to expand its payment services into a banking factory. What does that mean?
Today, we are a complete solution provider for banks in document processing. In addition to payment transactions, we are increasingly offering the outsourcing of other banking services, for example, for the securities area or in the credit business, as well as solutions in master data management, for example, ensuring address data quality. The services of the SPS Banking Factory consist of standardized and digital components and guarantee the highest levels of security in accordance with banking standards. All data remains in Switzerland and is certified by us in our banking centers and processed in accordance with the full compliance requirements of the banks. SPS can fully contribute its experience in banking. Mutual trust in the partnership and openness to change through the digital transformation of processes are the essential factors for a successful future for all parties involved.
SPS, the power of possibility.